morning, good morning. This morning, I am going to show you how to cook this gourd. How do you call this? In Visayan, this is sikwa. In Ilocano, they call it kabatiti. And I will be adding the shrimps. Ang lalaki ng shrimps na nabili ko, guys. And to update you how much the shrimps today, 400 ang per kilo doon sa Island City Mall. And pork, I don't know anymore the price kasi nawala na yung kanyang tarjeta. Okay, I will show you this. Anyway, guys, the price of sikwa today, this gourd, is 50 pesos per kilo. Balatan natin. Ganito ako magbalat, guys. Huwag nyo nang pansinin. Sabi nila parang delikado daw dahil yung blade ng ano ay ang direction ay papunta sa akin pero hindi kontrolado ko kasi look how I peel like that. Kontrolado ko yung blade. Ayan. See? Then ganun lang. Slice lang ganyan, oh. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to cook the patola, the gourd, with shrimps and the pork with the special ingredients, Korean noodle. This one, the Korean noodle. I don't know how to read this, but it is says Paldo. This one is Korean noodles. I will be showing you later. Okay? Bear with me. Eto na, guys. Umpisa na natin ang ating luto. Nako, pasensya at maingay talaga. Sa kitchen na maingay, magluluto tayo ngayon ng gourd, the patola, with this Korean noodle, the Paldo. Paldo Korean noodle with big prawns, pork, and these are the spices: garlic, ginger, and onion only, and then salt, pepper, and sesame oil. Okay, start. Pork. Ayan. Guys, pork, guys. Kalat ang ingay nito, patayin natin. Ayan. will put now the wow, grabe. Ang lalaki ng shrimp, guys. See this, guys? Oh, ang lalaki. Ang ganda. Diba? Sarap nito. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi, kaya nilagay ko na rin ito dahil madali lang maluto ito, guys. Very easy to cook this. 3 minutes. Ayan. Ang galing maluto nito eh. Yung sikwa. Ayan. Sikwa in Visayan and Patola in Tagalog and Kabatiti in Ilocano and board in English. And in Italy they don't have this, so maybe I will call this Filipino zucchini. Filipino zucchini. Ecco, Filipino zucchini. Sto cucinando. Troppo buono, mannaggia, che bello, che yummy yummy. Buonissimo. See? Wow. Can you see that? Mix all together with that yumminess, the taste of the shrimps, taste of the pork, the taste of the zucchini Filipine. Yan. Oh, wow. Hintayin na lang natin konti. In another pot, I will boil this water for the noodles. Then add this to that. Yan, guys. Try this. Very yummy. Yumminess. I will now open this, guys. Okay. Here is the Paldo. Paldo, this is spicy. Spicy Korean noodles. Like that. Ang cute niya, guys, oh. Kamukha ko yun, oh. Yun, oh. Kamukha ko yan, oh. Ayan siya, guys. Excited much kasi masarap. Pag kumulo na ito, ilagay ko na itong flavoring. Kaya hindi muna ako maglalagay ng asin dito kasi baka mamaya maalatan. Okay? Ayan. I added the flavoring and the noodles. Ngayon malambot-lambot na siya. So, i-add ko na ito. Kasi kung hindi ko i-add dito, ay ito'y aapaw. Hindi na magkasya. So,